Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to transfer your photos and videos from iCloud to your computer effectively. Before we start, let's ensure your computer is ready for the transfer. Check for system requirements and make sure your software is up to date. Now, let's log into your iCloud account through the web. It's straightforward and quick. Once logged in, navigate through the interface to find your photos and videos. To download, simply select the photos or videos you want and click the download button. For Windows users, installing the iCloud app can streamline the process. Let's walk through the installation together. Did you know you can download multiple photos and videos at once? Let's do it in bulk. If you encounter issues during the transfer, don't worry. Here are some common problems and how to fix them. After downloading, it's important to keep your files organized. Here are some tips to help you. In conclusion, effective management of your iCloud storage can save you time and hassle. Follow these best practices to keep everything in order.